Sometimes it might be necessary to wash your wind bubbles. I'd like to show you how to do that. It's not that difficult. They are made of a mesh bubble on the inside, coated in this multi-pulp fur, so it's perfectly okay to use lukewarm water to rinse the dirt off, any dirt that might be on them, get them a little wet, and then use just a basic shampoo or soap. You could use just a normal soap or a little drop of dishwashing soap. I'm using shampoo, being that it's hair, and just a little drop on top, and work it into the fur to remove any of the remaining dirt and leave the fur shiny. The only danger is pretty much crushing the mesh basket on the inside, so just be careful not to push too hard down on the body of the wind bubble. Then use lukewarm water to rinse it off again. Just work that foam out, and soak out. The whole time I'm holding it by the legs, a little handy place to hold it, and give it a little shake. At this point, you might like to give the fur a little bit of a comb, with a normal comb or a little steel brush of some sort, just to get the foam separated so it's not too clumpy. And once that's all done, we'll take it outside and let it dry. So we're going to put it outside in the sun, and just in case a gust of wind comes along to try and take it away, I'm going to mount it on a pencil and pop that out to dry. Probably the best part of this is doing the last bit of drying with a hairdryer. And there you have it, a freshly shampooed wind bubble, ready for its next adventure in the wild.